Uh, we have three variants, one Classica, Technica, Ultima. So basic, little bit mid-range, and then the top class of the thing. Our USP is we give European technology at affordable price for the Asian market.
Okay.
Because of our manufacturing plants in China, we can
Okay.
achieve those volumes
Okay.
and batch sizes. So our cost is comparatively economic to
Okay.
our European counterparts, is our belief. And the technology is completely from Europe. The hydraulics that we use, the pneumatics that we use, the controllers, the electronics, everything is all European technology, European brands. So we believe we have the right fit for India, giving the legacy technology of the Europeans, what they are very good at, using that and using the positivity of the Chinese and China climate of manufacturing at scale, of achieving that cost to technology ratio, is something we pride ourselves in and which we are very good at.